I'm Kai. I'm your intuitive love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all-authentic and high-quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Taurus! This is a Taurus reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Happy birthday sa lahat ng mga Taurus! Anong handa? Makikihanda ba ako dyan? May dala na akong plastic. Pasave ng minudo at lumpia. Taurus. This is a Taurus reading for the month of May. This is a general reading. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. May nakita agad ako, agad-agad, lies and deception sa connection na to. Anong nangyayari, Taurus? Ang Taurus ba ang hindi nagiging honest? Or someone is not being honest sa mga Taurus? Let's see. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka-juicy ang mga balita para sa mga Taurus this month of May. Last shuffle for the Taurus. There you go. Taurus reading for the month of May. Here we go. Making a decision about kung sino talaga ang gusto mong makasama. Okay? Right now, nandun ka rin sa chapter ng life mo where gusto mong may partner, you want to have someone, pero mas nagfo-focus ka sa sarili mo, sa glow up mo, sa personal development mo, sa career mo, sa pagpapaganda mo, sa pagpapapogi mo. Because sabi mo is parang nakakapagod na, no? Yung mga tao that na na-connect sa'yo and you're trying to connect with right now is parang hindi naman ready for a committed connection. May pagka-toxic yung relationship pero hindi mo maintindihan. Ang hirap magkasundo pero hindi mo rin mabitiwan. Okay? Right now, I see travel, movement, nagfo-focus sa trabaho, nagfo-focus sa goals, and you feel, no, na parang ito yung tamang gawin right now, na parang, very Taurus, di ba? Na parang, kung hindi ka nakakatulong, kahit importante sa'yo tong person na to, nagfo-focus ka sa mga bagay na importante sa'yo, lalo na yung magdadala ng financial stability sa'yo. Sobrang nai-stress, nabibigatan ka sa connection na to, lagi na lang may misunderstanding, okay? Woo! I feel the masculine energy is not being honest in this relationship because the Queen of Swords, yung feminine energy here is nakapagsalita na ng hindi maganda because meron daw nararamdaman yung feminine energy na may nangyayaring lies or omission of story or parang hindi may tinatago sa connection na to. Okay? So, because of that, is nagkakaroon na ng doubts yung feminine energy kung tama pa ba na makasama itong masculine energy. Let's see. The reason for the reading is naging challenging itong relationship na to, pero kahit ang daming challenges and misunderstanding, pinili pa rin ng mga Taurus na magstay. Avoiding conflict, pabalik-balik, away bate, break up bate, okay? Nagkaroon ng reconnection, but I don't feel na ready for this reconnection. It feels like na-miss nyo yung isa't isa, nagkabalikan kayo, but really to know kung paano to ayusin at i-fix muna bago kayo magkabalikan, parang nakalimutan nyo yung gawin, okay? So right now, meron kang pinagpipray, meron kang mga minamanifest na good news na right now you feel na nagkakaroon ng mga delays, yung mga good news na inaasahan mo para sa relationship na to. Okay? Naghihintay ka rin ng magandang outcome or maayos na pag-uusap with your person. Right now, napapagod na ang mga Taurus, sabi mo is na parang is it really worth it na ipaglaban ang relationship na to? Kasi sabi mo is parang waste of time. Sabi mo gusto mo nang to step back at magpahinga sa relationship at mag-focus sa financial goals. Okay? Ang sabi naman ng person mo, ang gusto lang naman daw niya is honest and committed relationship. Hindi niya yun maramdaman sa'yo. Sabi niya parang hindi ka daw ready for a committed connection. Okay? Sabi niya, kung hindi mo, sabi ng person ng Taurus, kung hindi mo kayang ibigay sa akin tong committed connection na to, bye-bye Felicia. Ganon ka strong-headed ang person ng mga Taurus. Okay? May standards, may hinahanap. At kung hindi mo daw yun mabigay, then it's really better for the both of you na ihinto muna tong connection na to. Okay? I feel napakalaki ng disagreements or misunderstanding sa connection na to. You feel, no, na parang nagda-doubt ka, magbabago pa ba to? Magiging okay pa ba? And the answer is yes. Lahat ng nasa isip mo, puro doubts lang naman. Magiging maayos to. Kung meron ka ring hinihintay na increase, promotion, claim it. Sa'yo na yan. Okay? In the next 3 months, I feel, just manage your expectations sa person mo at sa relationship na to. Sabi nga is, it takes 2 to tango. Kung hindi naman willing yung partner mong ayusin to, meron na naman daw sikreto na marireveal. Kaya parang there's again the feeling of defeat sa relationship na to, na parang kung ano yung mga win-workout ay eto na naman. Because may mangyayari, may mga magagawa na parang mali, no, and unfair situation sa connection na to. Foolish decisions na magdadala na naman ng burden sa connection na to. And that would be in the next 3 months. Taurus, sayang, no? I feel na, baka naman talaga kailangan mo munang mag-focus sa money, finances, kasi very challenging right now yung love connection. Okay? I'm not saying na iwanan kung hindi ka naman ready, but pahinga muna. Okay? Yeah. Hindi pa ready. Meron kailangang iba pang i-focus, which is may parating na swerte sa pera. Doon ka muna mag-focus. Alright, Taurus? And that is the Taurus reading for the month of May. See you again in a few days for your April, May, June reading. Bye-bye, Taurus! Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pangpaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.